So in this video, we'll see the construction of a triangle using the SSS congruence. Now what is it? SSS is three sides. When three sides of a triangle is given, how do we construct the triangle? Okay. Now we have taken this example from NCRT. So here AB is equal to 5 centimeter and BC is equal to 6 centimeter and AC is equal to 7 centimeter in the triangle ABC. So first, before drawing, we can draw a rough sketch on the paper where BC is 6 centimeter, AB is 5 centimeter and AC is 7 centimeter. So first let me draw a line in such a way that I draw a line BC which is of length 6 centimeter. I hope you understood this. Now what you do is you measure 5 centimeters on your compass, that is on the scale you take 5 centimeter, then make your compass, open your compass so that it is of length 5 centimeter, then with B as center, here with B as center, draw an arc on the paper. So I will draw an arc over here. Okay, this is of 5 centimeter. Now you measure 7 centimeter on your compass and place it at C. With C as a center, draw an arc cutting the previous arc. So this is of centimeter 7. Okay, so I get, now I can join the point A with the point where the two arcs meet each other. Let me mark it as A. Similarly, I will join my C with A. So this is 7 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. This is how I construct a triangle when the three sides are given. I hope you understood.